In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a watermark in LibreOffice Writer quickly and easily. If you've opened a document and noticed a watermark sitting behind your text, don't worry. This is usually something you can remove in just a few steps. Whether the watermark is a word, a logo, or some faded text in the background, I'll walk you through the simplest method first, and then I'll show you what to do if you can't select it directly. If this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit like and subscribe so you don't miss more helpful LibreOffice tips. Let's get started. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once LibreOffice is open the Writer document that contains the watermark you want to remove. Make sure you're in the correct file before making changes, especially if this is an important document. After the document loads, take a close look at the watermark text or image in the background. Now click directly on the watermark. In many cases, the watermark can be selected like normal text or like an object sitting on the page. If you can select it, simply press the Delete key on your keyboard. That one step may be all you need. Once deleted, the watermark should disappear from the page immediately. If that works, take a moment to scroll through the document and make sure the watermark is gone from all pages. Sometimes watermarks appear on multiple pages, so it's a good idea to check the rest of the document before you save. If everything looks good, you're done. But sometimes the watermark is harder to select directly, and that's completely normal. If clicking it doesn't work, the next thing you should do is open the Navigator panel in LibreOffice Writer. The Navigator helps you find objects in the document, including elements that are difficult to click on manually. You can usually open it from the sidebar, or by using the Navigator option in the menu. Once the Navigator panel is open, look through the list of objects or document elements until you find the watermark object. Depending on how the document was created, the watermark may appear as a drawing object, text frame, or another background element. Select the watermark from the Navigator, then press Delete on your keyboard. This removes it from the document, even if you couldn't click it directly on the page. After deleting the watermark, go back to your document and confirm that it has been removed. If the watermark was applied to multiple pages, check a few different pages to make sure there isn't another copy still there. When you're satisfied with the result, save your document so the change is preserved. And that's it. You've now learned how to remove a watermark in LibreOffice Writer using the easiest direct selection method and the backup method with the Navigator if the watermark won't select normally. This is a simple fix, but it can save a lot of time when you need a clean, professional-looking document. If this video helped you out, please like the video, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to see more LibreOffice tips in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.